in preparation for the upcoming 6th Meghalaya Games in 2025. A team from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association in Shillong, led by Working President Joan F. Karshieng and General Secretary F. L. Pariat, along with officials from the State Sports Council, Meghalaya Project Engineer P. Pale and Sports Department Consultant, visited the West Jaintia Hills district yesterday. The purpose of the visit was to conduct preliminary discussions with the State Sports Officer K. Pasa and representatives from the West Jaintia District Sports Association. The team inspected several proposed venues to assess the facilities and infrastructures.
But I want the West Jaintia Hills district looking horse yaka Meghalaya Games ko ba real how number 1 how January